Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. Okay, welcome to day 2 of our starter. We're just going to have a quick look at it now, see where we're at right now as far as our starter goes, see if there's anything forming in it. Oh, there's a bit of movement there, I think. A couple little bubbles on the side there. Let's check this second one. There's a couple little bubbles going. So today we're going to do our first feeding. When we feed, we try to feed after the first 24 hours. In the first 7 days, you want to feed it every day. So the ratio of this, we're going to take all but about, you want to leave about 2 tablespoons left of your starter. So we're going to discard the rest, and we're going to feed it with flour and water, equal ratio of flour and water. We've got about 20 grams of starter left. I want about 20 grams of flour and 20 grams of water. And that should bring it back up to 60 grams again, and they'll get the feeding process started. Okay, when we come back, we'll get started with the feeding. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, I've already got everything measured out already. Be using the all-purpose unbleached flour. We have a little closer look at the jars here. As you can see, they did actually come up quite a bit if you look at the line I drew yesterday. So there's quite a bit of work been going on overnight, and that's just 24 hours. All right, I've got a extra jar here where we're going to put our discard in. We'll have a look at that. How does that look? Just going to drop this now into the jar. The discard too. When we say discard, it's not something we literally discard and rubbish bin or the trash. Uh, you can use this discard for a great deal of other things if you want. You can use them for pancakes and waffles and muffins, crackers, pizza dough, banana bread. You can just keep it in the fridge, and the longer you keep it, the more acidic it becomes, the more sweeter it becomes. Okay, now we're going to start with the feeding. Equal amounts of water and flour, as I mentioned earlier, and then mix it up the same way we did at the beginning till it becomes a smooth paste. Uh, and back to what I said before about the discard. If it does develop a pink or yellow tinge, or just starts to smell off, then that's your cue to discard it completely. So we're just gonna use a fork again to combine all this into a nice smooth paste. And as I mentioned earlier, we do this every day for the first 7 days. Uh, we'll have different periods, and I'll probably go into the different periods that we're going to go through over the next 7 days, and I'll probably go through that tomorrow. Yeah, in our next video, I'll be doing a video each day just to give you a update as to what's going on. Also, if you have any advice or tips or anything, perhaps recipes you can do with the discarded, or any ideas what we're going to do with our sourdough and how we're going to cook our sourdough, any tips you may have, uh, feel free just to drop them in the comments. Okay, lid goes back on now. Remember not to put them on too tight, as the starter does need room to grow. So we'll put them back in storage now, and we will see you all again tomorrow for day 3.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.